Alright guys, welcome to City of Digital once again. In the previous video we saw how we can use SQL injection to perform out of band tech requests, and in this video we will see how we can extract data from it. Means how we can perform DNS lookup using OAST techniques to perform actually do data exfiltration. So let's move to this lab without wasting any more time, and I'll just click open a new tab. So let it open. Meantime, just go to perp collaborator client, and we'll just leave it running for some time. Just we'll need it in a while, and here we can see the website is open. So now what we will do is we will just turn on my proxy. I'll just turn on intercept in perp. Intercept is on, and I'll just reload this. So once I click on reload, I'll get request, right, tracking ID and session. So now we need to put the payload over after tracking ID. What we'll do, we will use the SQL injection cheat sheet from Coursera Academy, and in the cheat sheet you can see that there's a query for data exfiltration. In the last thing we just used for DNS lookup, and now we will use for DNS lookup data exfiltration. All right, so I'll just copy it. I'll just open a notepad and I'll just paste it over here. Right, so I'll just increase the font a bit. Okay, so now it's visible clearly, and I'll just make some casual changes. Union select extract value, and XML, everything seems fine. All right, select query. Here we will just do it in a while. Your subdomain.burpcollaborator.net. Okay, so now let's go to burp collaborator, click copy on to clipboard, and come here and just paste it. Yeah, so we pasted it, right? And now in the select query, select username, password, from users. Where all right, let's leave it to from users, and I'll just copy the whole query, and I'll just go to this intercept and I'll just paste it, and I'll just send it. I'll just click on forward and turn off the intercept. This lab should load as normal. Tampering with the lab copy is not required to solve this challenge. Okay. So just a second. Alright guys, all we need to do is that was showing too nosy that we were trying to be so too creative about this. So we don't need that much, we just need simple like just copy this from this where copy the payload, and all you need to do is in the select your query here, we just need the password. That is, we will write select password from users where username is equal to administrator, right? So it will be something like this, if This is at the end. Yeah, so it will be something like this. Select password from users where username equal to administrator, and this will be something like this. Just this will be your query, and you need to replace the Burp collaborator website in this place, and you need to paste this query over here. So select password from users where username is equal to administrator. So this is a URL encoding for that equal to, and all is set. So all we need to do is I'll just copy this thing, and once I copy it, I'll just go to this Burp suite and I'll paste it over here. So it seems fine, and I'll just move to this, and I'll just and close the intercept. So once we so we got several queries. So this is something like, so this might be our password. See, this is here. Collaborator received a DNS lookup for a typed quad A for the domain name this dot. So we actually put it in the query, right? So in the query we said that this is our domain dot this dot .net. So just query it. So it actually queried. So this is the password. This is the password it actually leaked. So this is how we can do. So I'll just copy it and let's try to log in using it. I'll go to my account. I'll give administrator and paste the password we got from Burp collaborator and try to log in. You can see that we successfully logged in and we have solved this lab. So this is how you can solve these labs, and you can perform OST techniques to actually exfiltrate data from the database and exploit SQL injection vulnerability. With this, the SQL injection labs are over, and next we will move on to the next labs. So thank you for watching and sticking around with us.